The number of homicides in the city of Paterson went from 12 in 2018 to 19 in 2019. 16 of those murders were due to guns. Residents I spoke with say they don't feel safe here. Do you feel safe in Paterson?
Not really. There's a lot of gang violence over here.
I haven't been robbed, so I've been lucky.
I wouldn't dare let my son come here to live.
There are less than 400 police officers policing a population of 150,000 people. But Mayor Sayegh says the solution is not just adding more police officers.
Like I stated, we cannot police all our problems away.
Instead, he has several new initiatives in his plan that he hopes will stifle crime. On that list, implementing the NYPD's tried and true CompStat system. They're meeting with the NYPD next week to learn their methods.
CompStat is short for comparative statistics. So we're showing, okay, so Captain X, let's see your sector. Captain Y, let's see your sector. Why is crime going up in Captain X's sector and not in Y's?
This, he says, will lead to accountability within the police force. Mayor Sayegh has also applied for a hospital-based intervention grant.
So when someone is shot, typically the first person they see is a police officer, and that police officer is interrogating him or her, right? What if you had someone who was trained, a counselor, that approached this individual and sort of dissected this person's situation?
He hopes this will stem the recidivism rate. One of the biggest problems in Paterson is the opioid epidemic and the violence that ensues when a drug deal goes wrong. Several of the homicides in the past year were related to drugs. For Public Safety Director Jerry Speziali, the war on opioids is personal.
I've lost a brother-in-law, I've lost a cousin to it. It don't discriminate.
He says they've created an opioid response unit made up of firefighters, police officers, and counselors that will offer medical treatment as opposed to just enforcing the law. He says it's a simple lesson in supply and demand.
If you get rid of the need for someone to have to come here to get drugs, you're not going to have your guns, you're not going to have your people out there that are going to put themselves at risk, and you're going to get half of the battle solved.
In Paterson, Emily Young, New Jersey News Network.